What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys saw from our previous episode, I was able to get the bumper back in place, or at least somewhat mounted. So this week's episode is just a bunch of random stuff that needs to get done. Like this one, that one, welding that, and then trimming the little pieces. And most of the time I'll be wearing those anyway, so I figured, why not just a time lapse of everything else. So the accessories is pretty much done. Whew. The part is called, or the drill bit is called rescue bit. Supposedly this thing will drill out just about anything. So hopefully it works just as well as it's advertised. The size that I'm using is going to be 1/4 by 3 inch. Alright, so here's how it looks now. It looks pretty beat up, and I think that has a lot to do with this first hole that I was trying to drill. This is what I wanted to go, but when I started drilling it started bouncing up and down. I just couldn't get a grip, I guess, to go straight through. So I did end up going with the holes on the left a little bit more. Now once it did get traction, it just kept going all the way straight too, which is great. Definitely worth the price. It is a little bit expensive, but hey, it works. Alright, now that I got that out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and actually drill it for tapping. Now the one I'm using is gonna be 11/32. Remember, if you didn't break a drill bit like I did, all you really need to do is drill it and then tap it. It's that simple. Now if you do end up breaking a drill bit like I did, you're gonna need one of this rescue bit. Now this thing works pretty good. Not as well as I thought it would. At least, you know, I was hoping it'd last a lot longer than that. Maybe I didn't use it right. But definitely still worth the price.